See, that way is Los Angeles, on the other side of those mountains. See, the cars, they obey the rules. Red means stop. Green means go. And if you run the red light, then you get a ticket. And you have to pay money. And that's how the government punishes people. They have to pay money. Okay? And they don't have money to do other stuff. Like if you drive too fast, you get a ticket. And then you have to pay money. Everybody has to follow rules. And when you get in the car, for a kid, what's the first thing you do? What's the first thing you do when you get in the car? Buckle your seatbelt, that's what you do. Tell your mommy and your daddies to buckle theirs too. No excuse will do. What's the first thing you do when you get in the car? Buckle your seatbelt, that's what you do. Okay, you have to wear, see that, guys? His lights aren't on. You should have lights, because it's kind of dark now. The next car has lights. Then it's yellow. Yellow means slow down. The light is going to change. If you have to push on the gas to make your car go faster, you're not supposed to go through the yellow. You're supposed to slow down. Okay? See, those cars are stopped because it's red. See, now there's green. Green means go. There's no cars right there, huh? That's yellow. Be careful. It's gonna change. And that says red, means stop. See, the cars are obeying the law, right? There's people walking across the street. Now they can go. See, now they're going. See, and there's people crossing the street. It's green. That means go. They can walk across the street. Even though the light says it's green, it says go, you have to be careful. You still have to watch. Look out for cars. Oh, here comes a motorcycle. See, the cars are stopped until it's time for them to go. Green means go, red means stop, yellow means be careful. Light is going to change. Okay, when you drive a car, you have to learn to follow the rules, okay? Or you'll get a ticket, okay? And they punish adults, they have to pay money, okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, bye.